Whoever's sitting right in front of me, I'll give them my undivided attention. I give them everything in me. The greatest gift we can ever give anybody ever is our undivided attention. Is our time and our presence is our greatest resource that we have. And if I give my undivided attention to the person sitting right in front of me, and I do it every single moment and every single interaction, people feel seen, people feel heard, people feel acknowledged, people feel loved. And Maya Angelou, she talked about, it doesn't matter what you say, it doesn't matter what you wear, it doesn't matter what you do, people will always remember how you made them feel. And ultimately, that's really what it came down to, is recognizing, like, I'm limited to my 5 senses, but there's this extrasensory perception. And just like in Greek mythology, you see the seers, they're usually blind. Those that can see, the oracles usually don't have eyes. What I experienced with you is that you've had this challenge that has presented itself with your ability to see the world. You need a physical thing that is in the place so that you can actually perceive what the world is telling you. When I sat and I watched you give readings and I watched people disarm, I felt that they felt seen, and they also received guidance around a softening of the direction in which they're moving in. And your challenge with your eyes has given you the gift to see. And you are in that archetypical frame of the seer. And so when I sat in front of you and you shared a message with me, which was something that was playing strongly on my heart, I can tell you that what you shared, it produced equal measure of insight than a lot of people had in their actual ceremony. And what that required was, for you to give yourself permission to be seen and witnessed within your gifts. And this is just one tool in your many big tool bag of tricks that you've got going on, but also your challenge with your sight, but yet your ability to see.